Okay, good evening, everybody. So, thanks for joining us once again. We will continue with our discussions regarding the business development processes. What are the things about business development? Okay, that is really method of lead generation. That is that take care of your, do not need to go for data mining or no other websites to get the references of. Okay, so that is referencing, word of mouth. Okay, now of referencing, one certain term that is used in some of the cases. Okay, what are our borders? Okay, what are the of our extent of our reach? Okay, you guys remember in what we had asked you guys to find out the names of the people in your phone book, right? Of of such people who might be interested in our business. You remember that? That was
Yes,
one
sure.
of the
Yes, yes.
assignments as well.
Yes.
That's right. So there was a very big reason why we actually did that. Okay, the reason is nothing but we wanted to understand, like, not have approached them, we do not know yet. Okay, however, you, me, both of us would want to understand, whether these people can, might be of help to us. Okay, now how these people can be of help to us? Basically, since we are looking at business development, these guys might be potential buyers of our products or services. Okay, I'm including you. We call, I am saying both products and services. Our like in resume writing e-learning division, I am also considering under product. Actually, it's basically a service. So if you go through your phone book, okay, there might be people who are already in the HR business, who are taking care of various kind of recruitments. These people, if you approach for your activities, for your possible clientele, okay, if not directly, you can probably get to know us whenever you're hiring. So it might be of help. That would be one giant step. That would be one giant step, because if you're asking your friends and family, you have nothing to be scared of. Like, it's not like, even if you're hesitating to ask someone, you can very well go ahead and ask those folks. Right? So your cousin who is probably working in HR, or your sister, or what is your organic reach. Next point that I wanted to do are the social media campaigns. Okay, now, as you understand, there are various kind of groups. Okay, this kind of groups, both in Facebook, in LinkedIn. So if you are somehow becoming a member of these groups, you can very well promote your own products and services. Okay, unless and until 1,000 people know you, 10 people will not be able to sell your services. That is one thing we need to keep in mind before we go ahead in the discussion. We need to make people aware, what's process the clients. Now, how clients can find, certain clients whenever we are working as well. We get something like, no poach clients. Okay. Okay. So it basically means that, these people are line of work. Okay. Now, houses, you will find that you are actually working with two competitors. The product line is the same. Probably the hiring that will happen is also the same pattern, right? So that becomes a very good another sourcing one candidate for one organization. If by chance is not able to one of the ways how we can
सौरभ जी आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है.
Saurav, your voice is not properly. No, Saurav.
Which place have you heard? Like, from top once again. Hello? Shobha?
Last 2-3 lines you are not audible.
Yes, Saurav. Now it's proper.
Is that any better?
No,
Can you hear me now? Can you
not
hear
from my end.
me now?
So,
It's not audible.
yes, but very faint.
Just give me a moment, guys. Let me see what's going on. I'm sorry for the interruption.
Yeah, can you please log out and log in once again?
Probably that will not help. Just give me a
Just try it once. Team, I think Saurav is
this any
facing some
better?
internet issue. Yes, much better, Saurav.
Right. So basically, the last part that I was talking about, okay, was how to get the referencing from the corporate houses. Okay, now if you're hiring for any kind of coach, so basically what happens is you are basically working. You get their competitors who probably have the same product line, who probably have the same kind of hiring going on as well. Is this clear? Everyone?
Yes, Saurav. Much better.
Okay, fantastic.
Yes.
Okay. Moving ahead, talking of referencing, the other day, one of our senior partners, senior members had actually spoken about referencing via candidates. So let's say you're hiring for a company called Verity. Okay, you're hiring for a mortgage underwriter. So this fellow is obviously working in a company where he does mortgage underwriting, right? So if you take down, take down the list of the companies from wherever your database of such candidates who are working in a similar competitor firm. Clear?
Yes.
That we can probably employ to referencing what might have a clear of right. Some of the other tips and tricks that companies that some of the other tips and tricks that companies please ask the question.
Sorry, Saurav. Please continue.
Hello. So let's proceed. So some of the other methods that people, other companies are also using for automatic lead generation includes, giving of a freemium account or running an online quiz. Let's say you're running an online quiz in LinkedIn, okay, and wherein the quiz is set in Google Forms numbers to take the process onwards. Now, some of the people might run away, but there will also be people who might be, sharing this information with you. So this will also be a very decent way of generating leads for yourself. So these are some of the tips and tricks that we can employ to generate leads for our business development activities. Clear till now?
Saurabh, can you please explain the last one?
Okay, the last part. So what happens is sometimes you will observe that in LinkedIn and Facebook, certain random questions and quizzes are organized. Okay. Now to enter these quizzes, someone might want to participate in that said quiz. Okay, you need to give away your your email ID or your phone number to participate in the quiz, right? Now we all know how a Google form works. That can be set up such a fashion that it automatically gives you or generates a database of potential clients of HRs. Let's say you're asking, there is a quiz, what is your turnaround ratio, or how many people leave the organization in the first 30 days? Now HR, someone who is working in the HR industry or a consultant industry would might be very much interested. Once someone answers this question after entering his or her phone number and email ID, you will also have a good repository of data. Did you get that? Is this clear?
Yes, Saurabh. Now it's clear. Okay.
Fantastic. Now, we have already spoken about the basics of business development activities. Okay. Now, I want participants. Anyone has employed any of these into their daily business development activities, and what were the outcomes? No?
Yeah,
Understand
yeah,
an open question for the participants. Hello.
Hello, team. Anybody who has tried to incorporate something?
Okay, Swati is saying she has used referencing. Others? Did you start off with defining your target group? Defining your target group, what kind of companies you want to work with, or what kind of companies you want to reach out to? Has anyone done this activity till now? Shomo, can you hear me?
Yes.
Am I
yes,
audible,
Saurabh.
team?
Yes, Saurabh.
Okay.
Clear.
Fantastic.
Like, I'm wondering that is there an understanding what we are explaining to you all, or it's just every day a bouncer which we are giving to you? Can you please unmute yourself and please tell me?
Saurabh, can I ask you one thing?
Yes, please.
Anthony.
Okay. Yeah. Saurabh, suppose if you're going for a preferencing, okay. So as you did engineering industry like Alpla. So we used to generally host profiles in plastic and bottle manufacturers. Now we are getting the client name. Now how can I reach to the HR person? Can you please tell me, because I'm a very I'm not comfortable with this part. How can I reach to the HR person?
Okay. Since you mentioned us making machines for various plastic industries. Okay. Now,
Exactly.
I do not know. Do they give you target companies to work with? Do they give you target companies?
Yes, sometimes they used to give target companies like Pearl Polymers, depending upon the requirement.
Okay. Now, let's say since you have mentioned Pearl Polymers, let's clarify the thing up front.
Yes.
Pearl Polymers is one of our clients. Okay. Now, there's even if the client expects you to hire only from Pearl Polymers, that's a different story altogether. Okay.
Yes.
Since we are in agreement with one of the entities, we are not supposed to take their candidates. right?
Yes.
So that is out of the picture. Now let's say
Yes.
they give you a name. Let's say give me a name of a plastic company, Hukamati. Okay, Hukamati or Manjushri Plastic.
Manjushri,
Okay,
yes. Manjushri said.
Manjushri.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now let's say you have got these two company names. Okay, you want to reach out to
Yes,
these
yes.
companies. It's not two things that I will do at first. I've asked me. Okay, first what I'll do is I'll go to LinkedIn. Okay, I'll find out
Okay.
who is who are the people who are working in these two entities, and if any of them are in my second or third contact, who is the HR department. Okay, if I find those names, nice and fine. Okay, let's assume let's talk of Hukamati. Okay, this is a Swedish firm. The HR person is not in India. Okay, the HR person is not in India. Okay, so what do you do then? Okay, next what you do is you go down to Naukri. Okay, not the ones that we use,
Okay.
Resdex, not Resdex. Okay, the simple Naukri where people search for jobs.
Okay.
Okay, put in the name of Hukamati. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
put in the correct name though.
Okay.
So you will find that the operations manager who is working out of Panvel, okay, he is regularly posting the jobs. Okay,
Okay.
and in one or two of the cases, he has actually posted his email ID and phone number.
Phone number.
Okay, interested person can get in touch with me at
Yes,
phone number.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
your
Okay,
job is done.
okay.
Your
Okay,
job
okay.
is
Got
done,
it, got it,
right?
got it.
Because that
Okay,
fellow is
got
not
it.
going to office.
Okay, got it, sure. Got
Yes.
it. Thank you, thank you.
Interesting question. More questions would be appreciated. Please go ahead.
Yes, team. Thank you, Shantini.
Thank you,
Any
Shubham.
other, yeah, any other participants? These people, we are facing like it's a one-way traffic sort of thing. Any feedback also is very much appreciable, so that we can also be a little bit good on our side as well.
I have
No,
tried
I
that
believe
thing
So,
reference, taking reference from the candidates. I have placed one candidate in Verity, and he was working in Fast Source. So like that, I have taken the reference of the HR of Fast Source from him, and we has approached the technique also. We can apply this technique also, taking reference from the existing clients and existing and the candidates, means joint candidates, or the candidates those who are having good relationship with us.
yeah, exactly. This is a very feasible way, a very attractive way of generating leads for your business development activity. We are actually in the process of the plans.
yeah, we are keeping our fingers crossed, both of us. So let's see.
I have also tried.
Acha,
I would like to share my experience, like for business development, bringing new
okay,
clients. Actually, I was working for a particular
okay,
client for HR profile. Okay, so that position closed with one candidate who was working with a pharma company. Okay, so she was selected. Then I coordinated with that candidate and asked that you means you are currently working with some uh, consultants for your manpower requirement. We are. So I asked like, do you have any requirements that we could like work for? So she said, yeah, my replacement as I'm leaving this company. So you can like do the replacement of my position. So in similar manner, then I discussed regarding the empowerment process and all. So she agreed, and then we went on like. So it is how like for working for our HR
Yeah,
profile we can like target.
right. Thank you, Chanchal ji.
right, right.
One
Sort of Nipa is having one.
Please,
Nipa?
yes, please go ahead.
One question. Who is that, like that teacher? Okay, for any of the company. Okay, so is it basically HR head I'm calling that? Yeah, junior HR convenient for that requirement.
Okay, right. See, it is always advisable to go as higher up in the hierarchy as possible. Okay, first thing, very important to speak to as higher up in the hierarchy as possible. If you can, that's the best. Find what is the most feasible way, what is the most practical way. Would a GMHR give you time if you do not know him personally to talk about empanelment? Chances are very less. Let's be realistic here. I have if you are doing business development calling, if you call up a GMHR, he or she will definitely receive you. You can try if you can have a word with these senior people. Okay, since these are senior people, you might actually find some of them are giving you references to their juniors. And if you can extract that, the job is done. If a GMHR gives you, the number of the assistant manager HR, he will be more than happy to empanel with you because his bosses passed on the reference. What I'll suggest you to only GMHRs. Okay, let's say a GMHR, you have found a company, a general manager HR who is not probably accessible right away. Okay, try who are the junior ones, who are the people who are reporting to him. Okay, if you try that, below that they'll probably be senior HR, a senior manager, or a deputy manager. So if you speak to those guys, that's good. Like I said the other day, the target people that you should, that you can optimally target is called a HRBP, Human Resource Business Partner. So these guys have the target of fulfilling the requisition numbers for each of the companies. So a HRBP is a very good place where you can start your search. But then I know the GMHR and you speak to the GMHR. He or she will be the best person to help you out. Clear, Nipa?
Okay. Yes.
Excellent.
Okay.
Saurav, now finally I am having one very stupid question, but still it's a question for you. How about when in normal days we know that a person who is in the signing authority, right, and he makes the decision, he takes the call. If we directly approach that person, rather a person who will be eventually going to and finalizing the deal or making the signatory things and all. So which is more suggestible, to directly to knock that door who makes the decision, or going via somebody eventually reaching to that person?
Both are good. Both are good. If you can reach directly to that person who's signing on the paper, the signatory, or that's the best case scenario. Okay. However, often you will find
because
the signatory authority of the entity has also juniors under him who is supposed to do the hiring. Right. So if you if you approach let's say you have a team under you. Okay. Someone approach you, okay, boss, how's your work? How would you feel? Am I useless? I can do my own work. Right. Now, depending on which case you find him, I have often found the signatory authority in a lot of cases. Okay. It's better that if you ladder. Okay. Similarly, in some of the cases, I've also found the seniors are the best people to speak to, and when they pass on the orders to their juniors, the work gets done. It's all about the the empanelment process. We need a yes. So
right.
if you the example that I was giving for a GMHR is not only focused with recruitment. He has tons of other activities. He has compliance. He has engagement. He has future business plans, hiring calendar to take care of. So recruitment is only a small part of his target work, right? So yeah, that might be helpful if you know someone. Can give him a call.
Okay.
Let's see what can happen.
So actually,
what worse can happen? He'll probably say,
no. My thought process is to knock that door of that particular person who will say a yes or no. He won't linger around in yes, I will, like relaying the process and all. he will simply say a yes to me or he will simply say a no to me. That is my catch. Great, great. Thank you, Saurav. And others like my extended family. I'm not getting a single question from my extended family.
Hello,
So
sir, Anuradha here.
yes,
Yeah,
Anuradha.
Anuradha, tell me.
Yeah, if I am trying a person like to connect to any HR of the company and he is ready to give the empanel after a meeting, like personal meeting, then how can we convince him
Okay.
Corona times.
in Corona or after Corona, whatever it is?
Post Corona also, post Corona effects. We can connect over Zoom.
Start of the things. You tell him, sir, we will be glad to meet up. He's like, he's in the same city as you are. What is his location? Same Hyderabad?
No, I am just asking. I did not spoke with the like I did not get any situation kind of thing. If I get this situation, then how can we convince him?
Right. See, often we will find people who are in other location where you probably are not planning to travel or not willing to travel. Okay, these are two different aspects altogether. Now, what you will say in this scenario is, let us start off with the work. Okay, probably once we have started off with the work, once we get a time because of so once these restrictions to travel are over, I will be more than happy to meet up with you. We can discuss about how we have been for ourselves, and we can probably discuss about your hiring calendar for the upcoming quarter. Okay, so these are the 3 points that you should say. We will meet up with, let's start off the work. Okay, share the mandates, let us start off the work. I will be more than happy to meet up with you. Okay, to discuss about our performance, discuss about your upcoming hiring calendar. Okay, so if you say these 3 things, in most of the cases, your problems will be taken care of.
Oh. And one more thing,
Right.
even if I mean after the empowerment everything is done and after our work has also been started, then he wants to meet, then I cannot travel to the other location. So can any of the internal team will go and meet with them?
We often do travel. We often do travel to various locations for client meetups. That's not a big deal. Okay, but to if I go somewhere, let's say some client is from Bangalore. Okay, so this guy is asked us to come and meet. Now I do not know whether the empanelment will at all happen on kind of a scenario. I try not to meet a face to face. Once I know that our empanelment is done and I might extract some more benefits, I'll definitely go and meet those folks. Right?
Yeah.
Right. So this is how the process is. You start off with the work first, get the empanelment done over email, okay? Then start off with the work.
Right.
Then you can probably do sometime. What is the location of this person that you're talking of?
Actually, not from Hyderabad. I stay in Hyderabad, so it is not from Hyderabad. Maybe Chennai.
This guy is in Chennai, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that should not be a problem at all. That should not be a problem at all.
One thing, Anuradha, can we arrange for a Zoom meeting also with that person?
I need to talk to him.
Like a session which we are having. Right. You can always say that do you want on flesh and blood, or it's just a pictorial thing also can be done, so that you can be there. Mr. Rajdeep also can be there in that meeting, right? Right. And without spending a single session from here as well. So just try that is an option or not. Okay, you can speak to that person. Then of course, and HO is always there. Saurav is here. I'm also there. We can definitely accompany anybody of yours to go that place. That's over discussion.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay. So anything more, Anuradha?
No. Thank you so much.
Okay. Great, great. Thanks,
Have you guys,
Anuradha.
Anuradha,
And-
one thing I wanted to ask, Anuradha, one
Yeah,
thing
yeah.
I wanted to ask you, have
Yes,
the
yes.
business development process? You started?
Your voice is breaking in between.
Have you
Hello?
started doing the business development process like we discussed?
Yes,
Have you
yes,
started
yes,
with the
yes.
business development activity? Okay,
Actually, I
fantastic.
have the hello.
Yeah, actually you have.
Just a second.
Yeah, yeah, I have my clients actually, my previous company's clients. So just wanted to check whether we can meet personally. So
Okay.
I just wanted to check if anyone from the internal team, because I did not travel till now to meet up for the meetings like this. So I said
Okay.
directly no.
Yeah.
So just wanted to check.
No, no. What Shomo said, the idea of a Zoom meeting.
Zoom
That-
meeting.
Yes,
I
in this
will
kind of a
try to
scenario.
ask him. Yeah.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
we can arrange that.
Yeah, sure.
Anyone else from the
No.
team has any queries as of now?
Yes. Anything else, team? Any other person? Any questions? We are having Veshti with us, Suma, Sudha, Umaji, Mr. Shankar, Rajanji, finally Ankita. Nobody is having a single question for us.
How many clients can we expect the next time we meet?
Yes, Saurav, I was about to ask this question. So, can we expect at least 20 clients by the next week, end of next week, from all of our team, our extended family? Is it possible?
Okay, guys, one very important announcement to make here. Okay, tomorrow would be a day off from the training. We shall be taking a break from the training. We will be focusing on whatever trainings we have attended till now, how we can make best use of that to understand that. If at all this training is useful, on Friday, we shall be having a matter expert, and he's an expert in both HR and in IT. Okay, so there will be a special guest who would be featuring on our Friday episode. Okay, so whatever you have dropped that thing, reschedule that. Excellent artificial, a very interesting topic that is discussed everywhere around the globe. Okay, everywhere, whenever you open up anything in LinkedIn, there is AI and ML being discussed and how they are implied in HR industry, right? So we'll be having Mr. Raju, who would be speaking to us, sharing his tidbits, his insights. So everyone, please make a note and please
He's a
write.
very
Okay,
senior, very
once you
senior
have
person
understood.
in the industry.
So, Ma, hello.
Yes, Anuradha.
So, Ma, I am facing problem with this royal dry fruit, because last time also it was being
Okay.
cancelled. The interview has been cancelled, and one candidate has dropped after reaching there, and we told them that interview is not there.
Okay.
So he has dropped there itself. And today also
Same
two
thing, na?
candidates already reached.
I have
Same
seen
thing
it. I have seen
happened.
in the chat. So,
And it was heavily raining there, but we tried to convince the candidates. They said okay, they reached there. After reaching that, we are receiving directly from the candidates that no interview is
yes,
scheduled
Anuradha,
here.
I want to tell you, this issue is not for you. This
Hmm.
issue is for my entire SMVA family, right?
Okay.
Both from our
Yeah, yeah.
internal team. Okay, a lot of
Hmm.
people have turned up for the interview, and there has
Yes,
been
yes.
certain problem. And
Hmm.
I think the cam out here, she can
Hmm.
assist you, give you a much clearer picture.
Yeah, I just wanted to know who is the cam also.
Swati, can you please help us with this?
Yeah, I'll speak with you regarding this.
Acha, okay, okay.
Okay.
So we'll be discussing there. Acha, and
So I
yes, Saurav, please continue.
that was the point of the discussion today. We have actually touched on all the points. I had actually kept this next half an hour for a Q&A session for whatever queries you guys might have been facing. So that brings us to my part of the business development activities. So once probably the questions will start flying once the activity is started in earnest. So probably then we can once again have a discussion. What's your team? They're probably the best, right?
Yes, Saurav. I think once they start, uh, then okay. Can we do a live mock drill? Now, not it should not be between you and me. It should be from our extended family. Can we do it, Saurav? Is my voice
Yeah, I'm
audible?
always up.
Acha.
That's my job.
Ha, ha, ha. Right. So, anybody wants to volunteer? It can be in Hindi, in English. No issues with that. Or need I? Please, team, don't shy off.
Sure,
It's
you
our
want to
family
talk to
only.
probably.
Saurav can be an HR. I also can be an HR. No issues. Yes, Vashli. Superb, superb. Please unmute yourself, Vashli.
Yes, sir.
Saurav, Vashli is from Chennai franchisee.
Okay.
So
And
I
you can
request
be
you to
HR?
be the
Have a discussion?
yes, you be the
Okay. Okay.
HR, and Vashli is from Chennai. He will be like explaining you.
So first of all, let me
Okay.
understand. So
Hi, sir.
what company are you planning to pitch? Which company are you applying for? We are talking to.
Mm,
Which company are you speaking with?
Try
TCL.
to do industry. What
Tata,
kind of industry?
It's
IT
IT, sir.
industry.
Tata Communication
Superb,
Limited.
superb.
IT.
Saurav,
Okay,
be
TCS. Okay,
an HR of an
fantastic.
IT
No problem.
company. Vashli is from our entity.
Okay. Okay, fantastic.
Chalo, all the very best,
Please
Vashli.
go.
Thank you, sir. Hi, sir. This is Wesley from SMBA Consultant, Chennai. I would like to say about my company first. Actually, our SMEA consultant is based on Kolkata head office, and it is a 23 years old company. Okay, and now I am going to offer you about one of our services, which is a payroll services, which is, I think it is very useful to your company.
Okay.
Payroll services, so it will be
what are the
helpful to your employees. All, yes, sir.
Okay. No, please go ahead. I'm listening.
Yeah. Okay.
How would this be
Yes,
helpful
and
to our for people?
Yeah, for your people, I think most of the companies will have that. They will give a pay slip. So in this, we are giving as a form of a. In this, in our system, we are bringing it as a form of a cloud app. So they can automatically see their pay slips and all other details through their mobile itself. So we are a HR outsourcing payroll management service, which so here I will give you the HR outsourcing payroll management service. So it will be helpful to you and your company also, so that the employees can see their what are the benefits they are getting and what are the deductions they are getting. So everything they can see it in the single app itself. So it will help in your company, not only in payroll, but also with the payment and statutory complaints also. So if they are having any statutory complaints also, they will be directly not need to come to the HR department and they need to meet you or some other persons and tell to them that this is the complaint I am having. So they can type it and they can send it through the mail, so that you can have a team and you can assign it and you can rectify it as soon as possible you can.
Okay.
So it
what
is,
are the compliances?
we are giving.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sorry, sir.
No, please go ahead. Please go ahead. Go ahead, Mr. Wesley. I'm listening to you.
Wesley, please continue.
Go ahead.
Okay,
I can hear you, Wesley.
Yeah, yes, sir. Okay. The statutory complaint you can face that it will be they are having a doubts regarding the ESI and PF payment, like then how and all you will be deducting and what are the things and what are the benefits you are giving to them, that like that and all they can see in the app itself. So it is a cloud app, so you need not pay that pay and get this app. So we are giving the app for free, and we are charging 100 rupees per person per employee of your company for the as a service charge. So are you like to take this app?
So see, Wesley, I would this sounds very interesting. So can you set up a sort of a demo session with your team?
Yeah, sure.
Maybe
Sir.
I want to check what are the benefits.
Okay, definitely, sir. I can connect with my team. I will connect you with the conference call to Mr. Somu. He is my head. So I will take him online with me and give you as a demo. So which time are you free, sir? So what time can I give you for demo?
Give me a call on Sunday morning. We can arrange the meeting then and there.
Okay, sir. I will just confirm with them whether he is available on Sunday, or else we can make it on Saturday itself. Is Saturday okay for you, sir?
Yes, absolutely. No problem. We can have a discussion regarding that.
Yeah, okay, sir. I will confirm with my head and I will call you back soon, sir. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you. Super, Wesley. Super. Only thing is 1 or 2 pointers you need to add, that we will be dropping them. We will be giving them the services for 1 month. Will be a free access to them, so that they can use it. They get familiarized with whatever, get accustomed also, you can say, with the services. And then if they
we have a different session arranged for payrolling, right? We have a different session arranged for payrolls, right? Exactly.
Yes,
so Wesley, you need to Wesley, you need to arrange that, attend that webinar. Probably that will help you in clarification of the pitch much better. I have certain pointers to share. This was absolutely a fantastic approach to this. Teaching a client is not very difficult. They are also human. You are also human. Okay. Worst case, what they will say? No, I'm not interested, man. Okay, no problem. India has 3 million other users. You can approach them. Keep that attitude. Okay. Don't be scared of what this person will say, what that person will say. Be fearless. Okay. Just one thing. Hello. Yeah, just one
Yes,
thing,
sir.
Wesley, when if someone gives you a timing that, for example, I intentionally said
Okay, sir.
Sunday morning. Okay, most people
Sunday. Yes,
will
sir.
not say Sunday morning, but if someone gives you a
Okay.
time, unfortunately, try to make
Okay,
it
sir.
that. Let's not negotiate on
Okay, sir.
that.
Sure.
Stick to that
Okay.
time.
Yes,
Stick
you
to that
can,
time.
but it's advisable
Okay, sir.
not to. Okay, so that is there.
Okay, sir.
And
Okay, sir.
one more thing. SMVA Consultants is the name of the company. It's SMVA Consultants,
Yes. Yes, sir.
right?
I have said SMBA
SMVA.
only.
Just remember that. That should be good. Okay,
Okay.
probably a
Okay,
network
sir.
issue
Okay,
there.
sir. Sure. Yeah. Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay then. Good approach. Good approach.
Okay.
Keep this up. Keep this up,
Okay,
and
sir.
do this
Superb,
for
superb.
normal recruitment as well.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Okay, thank you, Wesley, for this participation. And can I request some
Thank you.
other person, a quick one? Now this time it will be me being an HR.
Basa,
Yes, any volunteers, please?
Yeah, Shankar will be having a word with you.
Yes,
That's
yes, Mr. Shankar, please,
Yeah,
please give
hi.
it a shot.
So shall I start? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
So hi sir, good evening. So I am Shankar from SMVA Consultants. I hope you are doing well.
Yes,
Yeah,
Mr.
I'm
Shankar,
doing
how are
good.
you?
Thank you.
Okay,
So I'm calling from SMVA Consultants, and this is the India's
okay,
fastest HR growing network. And we are having
okay.
a couple of different operations across the India. So
Mm-hmm.
we are into this industry from the past 23 years, and we are having staffing and also the payroll section, and we are also doing corporate training as well. So
Okay,
I gone through your company profile, sir. Especially, I have found the employee strength over the LinkedIn and also the company background history and what exactly the services you are going to provide and what are the operations across the India. So I just gone through these details and I'm pretty much sure my services would be definitely helpful for you in the future and in the coming days. So here my intention is to trying to help with you in HR recruitment division. So here I am going to just trying to give you some avoid some burden on you. So by providing good services from SMEA consultants.
okay.
So
So, Mr. Shankar, can I ask you one couple of small
yes, yes, yeah,
queries?
yeah. Well,
What is your main forte? In which segment you are having your expertise?
yeah, we are having both IT and the non-IT. We are having some expertise and also HR professionals.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you know about us?
Coming to the company point of view, I gone through the company the history and where exactly it was started. So what kind of the services you are going to provide, and so how many employees are working under this company. So these details I gone through from the
Okay.
social media and the LinkedIn as well.
Uh-huh. Okay. And in any specifications like in IT, we are talking as because we are from an IT background company,
Yeah.
right? So any specifications like what are the positions you have worked upon? How many clients you are having in IT?
So as an around we are having as of now 850 plus clients across the world, and not
Okay.
only in India, and we are having some 15 plus countries. We are having clients with both IT and the non-IT division.
So how
So
many in IT?
uh, yeah, IT I would say like 50 plus.
50 plus IT and 800 in non-IT.
Non-IT in the sense it's include engineering division and different domains, pharma and the finance and different sectors.
Okay. Okay. Why? Then you said just now that you're more into IT,
Huh.
right? And having only 50 clients. So what kind of positions you have worked till date?
One second. So as of now, I work with the different couple of positions. So like in the part of IT sector, so it's a senior positions and lead positions.
Okay.
Uh, so these etc. So these kind of positions as of now I work.
Okay. So if I am giving you 10 positions today, so on
Okay.
an average, when can I expect profiles from your end?
That depends on the profile, sir. Especially what exactly the job you are looking.
Okay.
First of all, so I want to understand the position from your
Mhm.
end. Then based on that, I will keep on updating you by providing the good profiles when compared to other consultants in the market.
Okay. Okay. I get it. So let's do one thing. You drop me your company proposal,
Yeah.
your company snapshot and everything.
Yeah.
What are the services you are giving and the commercials as well. Fine.
Yes, sir.
I'm texting you my mail ID. You just send me across. Let me go through that.
Yeah.
And I will be getting back to you after that.
Yeah, definitely, sir. And more, when can I expect some reply from you, sir?
I'm texting you right away.
Okay.
Okay. And
Yeah.
you drop me and I will, it will be either me or anybody from my team.
Okay.
They will be in touch with you.
Yeah, definitely, sir. I'll provide everything to you, the details and whatever my company background also as well.
Fine, fine, fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Shankar.
Thank you, sir. It was nice,
Uh,
nice talking to you. Thank you.
it was my pleasure as well.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So thanks a million times, Mr. Shankar, for participation. Okay.
Thank
See, I debated to be a shrewd HR kind of thing, but normally this is not the drill. Honestly, never grill like us. Yes, there are certain companies who are in the mode of grilling because they might have got a bad vibe from any consultancy. Okay, they might grill you, but it's an exchange. Normally it will be this finally what which I stated, that please drop your company proposal, I will get back to you from my end.
Yes.
Okay, you after that send can I have it that part?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Yeah.
Ha. And after that you say that I am dropping you a mail right away. Okay, and never ask that when shall I call you back. After sharing it, wait for a day or so, wait for a response. If he doesn't respond back, then you say that sir, I have already dropped you the mail, did you get a chance to check it?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
Got my point?
Yes. Yes. Got it.
So we should be confident, but not in a sort of credit card selling mode.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, not a
Yeah.
desperate part, but of course we are desperate, but we should not express this desperation to the person around the table. That's a motive.
Right. Yeah. Got it.
Got the idea?
Yes.
And
Yes.
your pitch is totally fine. And what I personally feel that you were scared, don't be scared.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. And
No,
this is my
no
first time,
need,
right?
no
Yeah.
need.
Yeah.
I got it. I got it. And I totally appreciate the efforts which you have put right now for the past 2 minutes time.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, you stood your ground.
Yes.
In spite of my negative questions, you stood on your ground. And that's a very good thing. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Fine.
Yeah.
Super.
Fine. Thank
Super.
you.
So keep practicing, Mr. Shankar. And please be in touch with us also just to modify it. It's
Yes.
not that in a
Sure.
day
Sure.
you will, huh?
Yeah.
It's not that in a day it will be done. It takes a couple of days time, but your approach, positive thinking is what matters most at this point. Superb. Thanks a ton, Mr. Shankar.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay, superb. So, friends, any other others? Anyone wants to give it a try? You have got we got two great participants, and they have put enormous efforts, and it was quite good, quite appreciable. I think Saurav will agree with me as well. What say, Saurav?
That was genuinely a very good
Yes.
done, BD calling. Right?
Yes.
So
True.
yeah, and like nothing to be scared of. People are
Exactly.
not so mean. Okay, they're not asking so many questions. So yeah, so like you're very well ready to start off. So without a glitch, start off, and like whenever you have problems, We are just a phone call away, right? So remember that, and let's start off with the activity.
Yes, yes, yes. Superb, superb. So let's wrap up today's session. And as Saurav rightly stated, the big announcement: there is a very senior person from the industry. Okay, he is a great mentor, and he is a very senior HR personnel who is coming. Okay, he is a like guest participant on Friday. Please, I request you all, please join that session. That will be a mind-blowing sort of discussion you will experience, right? So let us wrap up today, and also tomorrow we won't be having any session as of now, because we need you also to do the homeworks, whatever things we have taught. Try to recollect those things, and also if you find any flaws and all, please come back to us that these are the discrepancy, I want to question you on this part. We are open for that as well. Okay, team. So again, we meet on Fridays. Great session, right? So please be there, and you take very good care of yourselves. Bye, team.
Okay, bye. Bye and
Thank you,
thank
team.
you.
Bye.
Thanks for
Bye. Thank
participating.
you.